The moment the sale started, this was the first piece I ordered. What's up my stylish people, this is Ishank. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspiration, shopping and styling tips for men. In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you guys 7 pieces from H&M which I picked from Myntra sale 2020. Moving on to the piece number 1 and a piece number 2. Why I am calling piece number 1 and piece number 2? Because of one simple reason. This is a corded set. If you don't know what exactly corded set means, the upper and lower is of similar pattern and similar color palette. Here this is a shirt jacket from H&M. Initially I was a bit apparent before ordering this because of the pattern of the checks. The checkered pattern, there is no specific structure to it. The checks are zigzag, so I thought that whether I will like it or not, I was a bit apparent on this. But however, I ordered this and instantly once I put on this outfit, it became one of my favorite from this shopping haul. It is a beige checkered shirt jacket from H&M with double chest pockets to it. I got this in a size of small. This is a regular fit one, that's the reason I got it in a size of small. This is priced at 2,300 rupees. However, I got it for a price of 1,050 during the sale time, which is crazy considering the quality, because unlike the other jackets from H&M, this comes with a little bit of thicker material which have that stretch to it. And coming to the trouser, even though the fit of the shirt jacket is of regular fit, the trouser comes in a skinny fit. I ordered this in a size of 31, it fits perfect to me. In case if you order one size up, here they have the 2 buttons at the waistline so that you can adjust it anytime. If it is 1 to 2 inches, but not more than that. However, as I said, the fit I liked it, the color pattern I like it, and even overall this became one of my favorite. This is also priced at 2,299 and I got this for a price of same 1,050. So for 2,200 or 2,100 a corded set, it's always worth giving it a try. It is a shirt in a viscose material, which is a rust brown shirt from H&M, which I got it in a size of small because it's a regular fit one. To start with, this is fairly priced at 1,300 rupees and this is the new arrival from H&M. I got this for a price of 587 during the sale time because it's on 50% off. On top of that, I applied the HDFC card cashback or instant discount, which I mentioned in my previous video. So coming to this, I wish I would have ordered medium size because it's a little bit, not too much, it's a little tighter at the chest area, but overall for the price point I got and it's not too much tight, I can work a way around that. So overall, the material is made of viscose. It feels so smooth on your skin. When it comes to solid shirts, you cannot beat at this price point for the viscose shirts because of the flowy texture to it, and also it gives that extra vibe during the summer times. Moving on to the next piece. Here we have the olive green color viscose shirt from H&M, which is priced at 1,299 and I got it for the same price of 587 rupees. Whatever I mentioned for this shirt, it applies the same for this shirt in terms of how it fits, in terms of the regular fit, and I got this in a size of small, but I like this color better than the rust brown. If you don't know by this time, I am much more inclined towards the olives, mustards and burgundy when it comes to the colors other than the neutral colors. So overall, this color is a very pleasant color combination in which you don't find in the solid shirts in many of the brands. It's altogether a very good deal. This is how you should shop during the sale time, guys. Moving on to the next piece and piece number 5 from the shopping haul. It is a striped shirt in a beige and black stripes to it with a hint of white along with that black stripe. It is priced at 1,500 rupees. I got it for a price of 750 during the sale time. I didn't apply the HDFC card offer on this one. I got this in a size of medium and it fits very well. It is a slim fit. Whenever it's a slim fit, go true to size. However, when it is a regular fit, sometimes you have to size it down when it comes to H&M shirts. Coming to the material of this shirt. This shirt is also made of viscose, which I mentioned for the previous 2 shirts, and the viscose gives that flowy vibe to it. However, there is a drawback or disqualifier. It's a minor disqualifier when it comes to these 3 shirts. It's that it wrinkles super easily. I had to press it down before shooting this video so that these are presentable. So please consider that before buying these shirts. It is the new arrival from H&M and this is a very good color combination. Generally and always I go for the vertical stripes, but generally I make sure that the stripes are thin, but however here the stripes are thick, but still I'm okay with it because of the color combination and the versatility you can get with this. Overall, for the price point of 750 rupees, I think it's a good deal, and also the quality is optimum. As we are done with the uppers, here I have my favorite from this complete shopping haul. is this trouser in a brown color with a black pin stripe to it. It is priced at 2,299. I got this for a price of 1,050, and it is a skinny fit trouser. The back side of the trouser have this elastic waistband. However, when you come to the front side, it extends till this point. So overall it gives the dressy vibe with having the comfort to it. The material they have gone for, it is of very good quality, unlike the case with the H&M jeans. Overall I like the contrast pin stripe trouser to it. I'm in love with it. One is the color combination. This would be super versatile, and also the contrast tape adds different dimension to your outfit. And I always say that these are the trend and you should be one among them using this. Moving on to the last piece from the shopping haul is the blue striped drawstring joggers from H&M. Even though it's mentioned as joggers, these are the ones which are replacements to the chinos. If you have to start with any of the vertical stripe trouser, you have to start with trouser like this. That's a simple tip because of two simple reasons. One, blue being the neutral base here, and second, the stripes are so subtle. Once you get used to carry confidently these kind of vertical stripe trouser, then you can experiment with the color combination of the trouser with the stripes. This is a slim fit trouser. It comes with a cropped length. I am in love with how it fits just off the rack. I have gone for the size small. It fits super well off the rack. It is priced at 2,299 and I got it for a price of 1,050. For this price, it's an absolute bargain. When it comes to the material, this material somehow feels to me like the Traveler series from Zara. It has a blend of viscose and polyester to it. I hope you guys like this video on the H&M sale haul. Even though in this video I'm showing you just 7 pieces from the H&M, I promise you guys I will be doing a H&M new arrival shopping haul so soon. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. That's it from me. See you guys next time.